Let's go straight down. Okay, take it away, buddy. But there's one more tool I want to tell you about. It's the Microsoft HoloLens. This is the thing that me and my friends are using to look at all this 3D information in a really cool way. Slimecorp YouTube channel use this technology.
Yeah.
So it might look like
The power of AR to help you fix your car.
yeah.
Ooh, I like that.
It might look like special effects, but it's not. It is real time. Even just a neck pivot is one of the ways to do smoothest. The HoloLens is a really cool tool. I've been using it for many years, and this video is going to showcase its capabilities. Everything you see here is recorded in real time using these cameras on the augmented reality headset. Alright, so altogether we've got 45 kilograms. That's 95 pounds of weight we're going to add to this Land Rover at all times. Step 1. Specifications. Warn Xeon 10S Platinum. Rated for 10,000 pounds of pulling force. Can be operated remotely. Today, we're going to be looking at this Warn Xeon 10S winch. It's a 10,000 pound unit. It comes with this wireless remote control. Which will send signals, and why that's important is if you're stuck by yourself, you can still control it from outside the vehicle. So, a lot of components here. We're going to go through each and every one of them. Let's get started. Step 2. Specifications. Land Rover Passion hidden winch mount. Attaches the winch to frame. Supports washer reservoir. Supports valve block. In order to mount this winch into this Land Rover, we're going to use Land Rover Passion's hidden winch mount. And the reason it's called a hidden winch mount is because it's just the right size to fit behind this bumper. That's going to be awesome. Later we'll cut a hole in here so the winch rope can come out. But this unit, it's just stout enough and not too heavy. Altogether, this stuff is going to hold the winch in place on the Land Rover. And it includes two other brackets. We've got one for the valve block. That's for the air suspension off to this side.
And you can see the air block. The bigger holes go on top, of course, because that's how these go in, and then it slides up.
And we've also got this washer reservoir bracket. That one hangs on this side.
And you can see these two holes here. They're going to go into the washer reservoir. So this is going to hold the washer reservoir. It goes on top, don't forget.
And this whole package keeps a really nice factory look for the Land Rover. Step 3. Specifications. Relocation kit. Alright, we got our winch, we got our mounting bracket, but there's one important thing, which is for this hidden install, the solenoid box needs to be removed. And the wires that come with it, they're not long enough for where I want to mount it. So I've got this solenoid relocation kit, and it comes with a nice compact solenoid box, a lot longer wiring, and that'll let me run this wire exactly where I want it in the engine compartment. This solenoid box, it's not going to fit in our low clearance bumper. So I'm going to take all this stuff out of there, put it into this, and put it up in my battery tray. Winch, weight, 30 kilograms, 65 pounds. Alright, so one important consideration is there's a lot of material here. And I want to talk about how much it all weighs. The winch and all the accessories here, that's 30 kilograms, or 65 pounds. Mount and brackets. Weight, 10 kilograms. 20 pounds. On the lighter side, we've got our mount brackets, which weighs 10 kilograms or 20 pounds. These hidden winch mounts are really my favorite. Some guys put these really big bumpers up here, but that's a lot of steel, a lot of mass, and sure, it'd help if you hit some wildlife or something, but I think that this is going to do the job to securely hold my winch and keep the vehicle weight down. Wiring, weight, 5 kilograms, 10 pounds. And finally, we've got this solenoid relocation kit at 5 kilograms. That's about 10 pounds. Weight added, 45 kilograms, 95 pounds. All right, so all together, we're adding 45 kilograms. That's 95 pounds. That includes the weight of the winch, the weight of the hidden winch mount, and of course, this solenoid relocation kit. So almost 100 pounds of weight. That's important because there's something called a gross vehicle weight rating. And it's indicated right here. This is an enlargement of what you'll find on your door. And this has all the specifications about your tire pressure, etc. But we really care about that GVWR. This tells you how much weight you can carry in your Land Rover. And we're permanently taking 100 pounds out of that equation. It's important to keep that in mind because we're taking that away from our payload capacity. And if you're going camping or carrying a lot of cargo, you need to remember you have 100 pounds less than your gross vehicle weight rating. So here it is, our part inventory. Everything from the winch and remote, and the rope, the hook, and the fairlead. We've got the brackets here.
Andy has gotten with it, you know, the arrow coming through the fuck.
And our wiring.
This frame, it didn't just, I don't know.
All this stuff's going to come together right here on this Land Rover.
Stop recording. Start recording.
Yeah, okay, I'm going to point at everything for you guys.
Stop recording. It's so accurate.
Yeah, it's kind of crazy that we're all visualizing the same thing.
Yeah. And we sit here, I'm talking, it's like it's real because not only is it three-dimensional and it's floating there, it's stereoscopic, but I gesture at it and it's gesturing at the exact same thing.
Come show me what
from a different angle.
Come show me what you mean. Point at some.
Like this thing. Like this word right here, you know?
Yeah.
Well, that's why you were able, oh, I get it. I kept thinking you couldn't see this stuff from me. You know that it's right there. So, like, you can put your hand right around you.
Yeah.
So you can be, and so that way you can get around some of the translucency of it.
Yeah. That's right. Get in here. Come on, show me.
Let's get behind it.
Show me, like, let's talk about these things. So what are these two arrows? What are they pointing at?
Well, we're pointing at the remote here.
Yeah.
Or the winch, which is pretty exciting. And then we've also got the extra wiring kit here, or charger for the remote. I'm learning on the spot. There's just so many things here to pick up on, you know. All these different arrows. It's like Christmas, it really.
All right, right on, guys. So, hey, get back there with him, Shane. I'm going to kind of say something over here as the presenter. Okay, so we got our part inventory, but clearly there's a couple of tools in here too. Are you ever wondering what they all are? Let's look. Yeah, so hey, here's some of the tools we're going to be using in addition to my buddies. We got all kinds of things, from traditional hand tools to a Dremel. We got some drill bits and a drill down there. All kinds of screwdrivers and stuff. We might even use the jigsaw and the angle grinder when we start cutting into that bumper. There's a multimeter up there. Could be useful to test some circuits. And it's always important to stay hydrated. So this is the tool inventory. But there's one tool I haven't mentioned yet. And that's the Microsoft HoloLens. This is an augmented reality headset that enables me and my friends to see all of this stuff in the same place at the same time. And it enables you guys, the viewers, to get extra details about the machines, about the positions of things, and our hands are free to do the work. So I'm really excited to show you how augmented reality works and what a spatial computer is all about. The thing you might not realize is all 250 videos on the slimecorp YouTube channel are captured using the camera right inside the HoloLens. So this is a very special tool, and I'm excited to share it with you. Alright, so I couldn't be having more fun than today. I've got my HoloLens, I've got my best friends, and in fact that's what I've been doing with slimecorp for the last 250 videos. Using augmented reality to fix my truck, work on special projects, do a little programming. And this spatial computing, I firmly believe, is the way we're all going to experience digital information in the future. So by watching this video about this winch, you can be a part of that right now. Thanks for checking it out.
Stop recording.
Oh.